Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse guys for the vacuum pump is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. You may have up to 2 fuses. Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain where to buy cheap fuses from and why it's important to test fuses as well. That will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So specifically we will demonstrate on 2012 Ford F-150 that we have right here, but even if you have one that's different year but the same generation, it may be helpful as well. If you open the hood on your Ford F-150, right above the radiator, you're going to find that fuse box. And check it out by taking a picture and zooming in. We can actually clearly show you where things are located guys. You have multiple relays, fuses, different kinds, and those could be really expensive, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where we get them from at a good price and quick shipping as well. But before we start, let me tell you guys why it's important to test fuses so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. You will guys need to check 2 fuses specifically for that. One of them is known as a relay fuse, and if you come right here, okay, it will be in that row of little fuses, and the first one is known as fuse number 52. That 5M fuse right here is the one that you need to check. That fuse right there guys, that 5M fuse. Now after that we have one more that we need to check. Some of you may have this one, some of you may not, depending, okay, on how your truck is equipped. So if you come right here, 1, 2, that second fuse guys here will be known as fuse number 64, okay. Right here you're going to have a fuse if you have a vacuum pump guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.